You ready?
Take three.
Let's see. Let's see her. Nice bathtub. Which, by the way, the bathtub has access to the hot spring. Nice big-ish bathroom. Not as big as that suite was, but still good. Here. Big closet. More nice slippers. Some robes. Oh, they even have like shoehorn and shoe brush. Nice. Nice bed. Okay, wait a second. I have to try out the bed. Let me put my foot down.
Nice TV.
Oh my gosh. Oh. This bed is much smaller than the big bed in the other one, but this one is so much more comfortable. Sit here, Chunko, just for a second so you can feel it. It's so much more comfortable, isn't it?
Much better.
And as the TV shows, this place has all kinds of restaurants and bars and lounges and a huge spa that is in the next building that's connected by a bridge. And we get free access to the spa if we want to go. We have a beautiful view of the rooftop next door and a Batman-themed norebang. You want to see? I'm not even kidding. Over here. There's a Batman-themed norebang. Can you zoom on it? Yeah. No, you... Okay. Yeah, see that Batman-themed norebang?
Baby,
Not the greatest view, I'll say, but I do like the mountains. It's nice to have the mountains in the view. That's kind of cool.
This is just too fucking much!
Not bad, huh? It's not bad. Copenhagen Kakangang, so like Copenhagen chicken. Now in Chunko. It's fine.
Yeah, okay. Maybe. Tastes like some knowledge soup.
You got a pop on one.
Tastes like some noodle soup.
I'm gonna try.
7 package given.
So this is my first time eating meat in like over 5 months. So let's see.
Don't be sick.
I'm gonna get sick, I guarantee you. Chicken is really soft. Not bad. I'm gonna go with like 7 out of 10. I've had better duck gungo, but it's still good. It's okay. Pretty good.
This is okonomiyaki and I can't wait. I haven't had one since I was in Japan probably.
Are you excited? That's about the look I would get.
Mustard on it.
Yeah, that's about the look I get whenever I have okonomiyaki in Korea. But you know what? We do what we can. So here we go. Taste it. I want you to taste first. Mostly because I'm scared because I saw that it has mustard on it. Look at that. There's a mustard on okonomiyaki. Like, girl, what?
I feel very attacked! Relax. I'd love to leave.
Ooh. I don't know how I like it. But they here like they use like their own batter. They just make different stuff, but they just use like their own batter.
Yeah. Well.
It's like a pancake, but
Like John.
crispy.
No. She brought us more popcorn. Well. Not bad.
Not too very bad.
10 out of 10 potatoes. How many potatoes? How many potato points?
Maybe some mustard. Maybe like a 7. I could give 7.
7? Okay. Alright, here, you have to hold it for me. I'm scared. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna like go in. So I'm like Donkey Kong now. Ugh. Afraid. I don't know why I'm eating okonomiyaki with a fork anyway. But here we go. Then we'll get some noodles.
Too high.
Just the odd sensation of mustard in my mouth. Eating okonomiyaki. Actually it's not bad though, to be honest. Oh my god, I'm crying a little bit from laughing. It's not terrible. It's definitely not the worst okonomiyaki I've had in Korea, for sure. I'd probably go with like, I feel bad giving it a 7. I feel like it's too high to give it a 7. But, I don't know, I almost feel like I should. I'll go with a 7. Okay, I'll give it a 7.
I like C for this one.
Yes, I was gonna give it a 6.5, but like, it's the only, I don't know. Like, it's funny, because okonomiyaki is normally like quite thick, kind of. You know, this one's very thin, like a Korean pancake, so I feel like if I was gonna score it as okonomiyaki, I would give it like a 6 or a 5. But given that this is Korea and they don't like really do okonomiyaki, like it tastes kind of like jeon, and as a jeon, I would give it a 7. Like it's a good jeon, a decent jeon. As okonomiyaki, I would give it a 5 probably. Like sorry, like you a 5. You're a jeon. You're not an okonomiyaki. I know, like she is not an okonomiyaki. She is a jeon with like a personality or like an identity crisis. Like, this is jeon with identity crisis, but it's not bad. It's a good jeon. As a jeon, it's like 7. It's a 7 jeon. Actually, you know what? As a jeon, I would even give it like probably like a 7.5 as a jeon. Because it's sort of like an okonomiyaki jeon, which is kind of cool. But as like an okonomiyaki, it's like a 5. But I don't know how to judge it. I'm gonna say it's a jeon. This is a jeon. It's an okonomiyaki jeon. It's like 7.5. There we go. But it's cool. I like the trees down here with all the light posts. It's cool. It's nice, right? Look at the lighted wall. Like you notice the lights on the wall.
Oh my god, also fishy smell.
Oh, the fish restaurant.
kitty. Ah, still kitty. But these like don't come inside it because there's a possibility to electricity. Oh, run away. Yeah, it's good. Every place there like put the things for sugar.
With dry food for them. Do the kids want food? Put dry food food.
Oh,
People are not nice enough to street food.
yeah, they're nice.
Okay, do
Ah, don't feed.
Don't feed the kitties.
Oh,
Fuck that. Feed the kitties.
oh.
Fuck the Pope.
Yeah, really. Kids don't come inside because there's possibility like electricity running.
It pisses me off. Places. Like certain places like that. Where that's like, you know how in Japan they have that island, it's like Cat Island.
I'm classy, but I could be classier.
No, chill!
I gotta go use the bathroom. And by the way, I farted.
7-Eleven there's 7-Eleven. Oh no, no, of course.
No, don't run.
Oh, no. Oh, same like Russia, I have this. This is banana indeed. Kind of something to drink. 치킨.
I don't like chicken.
what do you want to have? 포도 주스, 애플 주스.
There's a certain bottle of apple juice I like better. Where if I get, oh my god. They have vegan ice cream here. Cashew vanilla ice cream. Granted, I've had it before. Ooh, but I do like this one.
Vanilla
Vegan coconut pineapple is really good.
Oh, the strawberry chocolate bar. Looks good.
I'm not gonna get the vegan one because I'm traveling and I do like want to try one of these other flavors. They have roasted pistachio and cherry,
So pink
or they have cantaloupe. Which one do you want? Roasted
cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe is more calorie, FYI. Just thought I'd point that out because you're probably being like, oh, it's melon.
They have a mini Doritos beach.
Any what?
Mini Doritos.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, they have like 수박 watermelon flavor. Watermelon flavor like a snack.
That's so weird. That's weird.
Ice cream.
That's like a,
Oh, 홈표 아이스크림. It's cute.
I also got you this one. Water.
But we're like a went down a little bit. I need to
We're
drink.
close. We're close to the hotel.
Okay.
If you want to get it. Like, we're going to eat it soon.
I wanna eat this soon.
Okay.
This
Are you only getting it because it has a cute bear on it? I thought so. And rainbow chips.
Get a Jay.
Oh my god. Chanto. Do you see this? It has strawberry corn flavor. Ugh. Weird.
No, spicy 어묵. 네.
Do you see this, Chanto? They have
What
cute
is this?
biscuits with little bears on them. Chocolate bears. Choco bear. You don't want Choco Bear? I figured you like super want Choco Bear. Okay. Monster Choco Balls.